Right, 9:10 in the morning.
On the 9th of January.
Is it? Alright. Oh, Voyager. Yeah, okay. That's too... Nah, it's too far for you to walk.
It's closer than hours. It's taking bloody half an hour's walk for Oregon. 20 minutes. Maybe that's 2 hours. That's 2 minutes.
What?
2 cows straight next to each other.
No, it's just the way it's dispersed, I think. It wasn't here 10 minutes ago. Pretty purposeful, that. And when we get back, we're greeted with this. Same one. We're at other houses. So they're using frequencies as well, which you can't quite see from here. But then we've got another one over that way. That one's spreading well. This one though. Dirty bastards. Right over the house. So that one's drifted a bit now. There's the chemical clouds across the street mixed with other clouds, and down the road I just filmed a massive trail across the sky. Just watch the snot rocket going across. "22 minutes past 9. It's quite windy. That was over my head a minute ago. Don't think I'm going to get in today. There's another one. Fantastic, eh? Right, just made the last video. Right, SquEasyJet had just gone over. An English one. Golf Echo Zulu Golf Zulu. London to Barcelona, Spain. Right, going up to Glasgow. Yeah, okay. Right, that's a good one. Right, anyway, it was closely followed. Well, not so closely, but it was followed by another one, which happens to be a SquEasyJet as well. Another English one. Golf Echo Zulu Tango Romeo. London to Edinburgh. Well, it's going up the west coast. It'll probably cut across any time, but I don't know how the other's going to Spain when it's heading up Glasgow away from London, was it? There's another SquEasyJet going across at the bottom. I bet if I went outside that, no comment, would be doing the same thing. They're all Airbuses with the look of it. Golf Echo Zulu Bravo Oscar. Well, I know 3 registrations that are doing it. I don't see why that should be exempt. Now this is one of those guilty of the big trails. Another Airbus, this time RAF. People defending us, of course, by spraying us like bugs. So anyway, let the time carry on running. That was 9 o'clock, that ties in with one of them. It's playing very close now, going over. It's not going to start again, am I? Right, and following, looking him up on the computer, there's the new trail by the other SquEasyJet. Over that way, sorry. Keep on it, should I? We're getting well and truly blasted at the moment. It's bloody biting cold wind, so I'm not hanging about here. And the other responsible for a massive trail, Minneapolis to Amsterdam, Delta Air Lines. Boeing 767. So there's the EasyJet, EZBO. And military activity. Yeah, well, the trainers, but well, I'm saying the trainers. Either way, you can bet your life they're not shooting these dirty bastards out of the sky, are they? But there we have it for now.